Добрий день, everybody. Our team is called Recyclofuture. I'm Mariana.
I'm Ludmila.
I am Mikola.
I'm Serhiy.
I am Nazar.
We are from Ukraine and we represent Ternopil Ivan Pului National Technical University.
We have chosen Agricon's challenge and we would like to provide a solution for this company.
We have met Serhiy and discussed a lot of important questions, but before we made a visit to an enterprise. There are photos of liquid waste, non-liquid waste, and a part of metal which burns during the production process. During the meeting we have fixed the problem with the sorting waste. We have seen that the company doesn't have optimization of waste sorting and system for monitoring waste. So, how might we to do for the solution? We thought that can we design a system for monitoring and storage of waste data? So yes, we can. We can design and optimize the system on the base of popular Microsoft Access for monitoring waste and storage of waste data, and we also can use storage space for sorting waste. We have encountered a few problems when creating the first prototype on the database. The company had no dedicated data table for the product waste, and the data table was to be optimized for operation convenience and production human errors. We also saw that this instrument is not enough practical and functional. As inputs we could use different characteristics, for example weight, thickness, length, but this information was just stored in the database, so we couldn't find another piece of waste and we didn't know what type it was. So this database was not enough good. So we have met Serhiy again. He was taught us how we could improve our database.
We developed our new prototype, in which we entered additional characteristics such as metal type, weight, and product. So we can see it. New. Five and thickness 7. Metal type black metal. 6. Type of roller metal plates, and product for something. Add. And we can see our waste. This allows us to save time to find the proper waste item. According to the challenge and requirements collected during the interviews, the main feature was to enable querying to find the best match by the material and size value. So we created the form to search the database for a specific material value. So enter the given length. And since we don't enter the data. Okay. Here is the closest value. So, even now, we can find curtain material. Search 4, 5, 6, and metal type is steel. Find record. Here is our. To populate the design table, we designed a form for data entry to help employees with minimum competencies in database system to enter waste characteristic manually. So, we have got a new prototype.
Pains, waste sorting, lack of time, lack of information resources, lack of an accounting system, and lack of organization and storing of waste. Pains relievers. We are developing a database for waste sorting and record keeping. We help with the appropriate disposal of waste. Gains. Saving employees time to find the curtain type of waste. Entering waste data into the database for easy storing. Gain creators. Speeding up the process of finding a material, convenience of storing secondary raw material, saving space in the warehouse, streamlining waste accounting and storage due to conveyance sorting. customer jobs, accounting of waste for its control and identification, organization of staff time, optimization of warehouse space, product and service, a database for sorting production waste, organizing, accounting and identifying liquid waste. Thanks for your attention. До побачення, everybody!